Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about overhangs in 3D printing, what they are, and how to fix them. Overhangs. In 3D printing, especially with FDM printers, an overhang means any part of your model that sticks out with little or no supports underneath it. Since printers build objects layer by layer, each new layer needs something solid beneath it. But when the design extends too far outward, the printer tries to print plastic in mid-air, which is impossible. Well, it is possible, but it will look like on the pictures below the text. And that's when problems like drooping or stringing happen. Why is this happening? Okay, now we are gonna take a close look to what happens to layers when they are overhanging. Okay, so here we got zoomed the benchy model, the yellow benchy model, to the layers. Now let's focus on this area. It has to hold its own weight and then against the gravity. And since the filament doesn't have enough time or support to harden before it starts to sag, it's gonna bend towards the gravity point. Okay, next up we got how to fine-tune overhangs. There are few simple ways to fix overhangs. The first one is add supports in your slicer softwares. The second one is reorient the model to reduce the overhang angle. Third, improve cooling, so the filament hardens more quickly. And lastly, slow down the printing speed on overhang areas for better control. Here you can see on the images from some examples of before and after. Yeah, before and after. And lastly we got overhang angle. Overhangs are often measured by angle from vertical. An 0-degree angle means straight up, no problem at all for the printer to print it. Around 45 degrees is usually printable without supports, though it depends on your setup. More than 60 degrees almost always needs support or very good printer tuning. So understanding these angles helps you plan models that print cleanly and more efficiently. To sum up, overhangs are a normal challenge in 3D printing, but by using supports, adjusting angles, improving cooling, and slowing down, you can get a great results even on difficult prints. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.